In this video, I'll guide you through how to cash out on Webull. If you're ready to transfer your funds from Webull to your bank account, follow along with this simple guide. Let's get started by opening the Webull app and signing in to your account. Make sure you've got all your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account securely. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the transfers section within the app. This is where you can manage all the money flowing in and out of your account. It's an essential hub for handling your financial transactions with ease and efficiency. In the transfers menu, you'll notice options for both incoming and outgoing funds. To initiate the cash out process, tap on the withdraw option. This step will start the process of transferring money from your Webull account to your bank account. Before proceeding, it's crucial to ensure that you have enough cash available in your Webull account to withdraw. Keep in mind that if you've recently deposited funds or sold stocks, those proceeds may require some time to settle before they become available for withdrawal. This waiting period is standard in the trading world, so a little patience might be required. Once you've confirmed that your funds are available, go ahead and enter the amount you wish to cash out. A little tip here, double-check the figure to avoid any errors. It's always a good idea to make sure everything is accurate before moving forward. Next, take a moment to review the withdrawal details carefully. This step is vital to ensure that all the information is correct. You don't want any surprises later on, so spend a few extra seconds to verify everything. After confirming the details, tap on the confirmation or withdraw button to submit your request. This action will initiate the transfer of funds to your linked bank account. Depending on your bank's processing times, you can expect the funds to be transferred within several business days. It's generally a straightforward process, but if you encounter any delays, it might be worth checking in with your bank. And there you have it. That's how to cash out on Webull. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your funds whenever you need to. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.